monster. I was like, oh. That sounds good.
Where'd it go? Just clapping?
Oh, fuck.
Oh shit.
Oh.
I'm good. I'm hopping bottom.
Kill it, I kill it. Yeah, kill it. I repeat, this is not a DPS pattern. Counter? Alright, never mind.
I was too slow.
Go left.
Everything's a DPS pattern.
Yeah. Everything's a DPS pattern, it just depends on how good
Alright,
you are.
sorry,
Alright,
sorry,
don't
sorry.
kill it, don't kill it.
Oh.
Oh, he's flaming. He's breathing, flame breathing technique on me.
Cool.
I'm blowing up. I'm blocked it. Wow! It
There we
is
go.
yellow.
Yellow.
Oh, why am I blowing up?
Another crit.
Take it.
Oh,
Before I ate that
shit,
ball.
Floge. I'm sorry.
Shit, that's spacebar.
Is that the top flame?
Yeah.
Fucking
I
bird.
almost clowned.
But what are the yellows?
Yellow.
Yellow, yellow, yellow. Oh, wait, I'll yeah.
Oh, there it is.
You need to go right away, please.
Box. Bird.
Bird.
Where?
Oh, let's leave that one box now.
Yeah, kill the
Kill
one.
the. Yeah, I'm gonna try.
I'm already clowned.
Okay.
I debuffed it.
Oh, I can't
It's
kill
on
it.
the right.
Oh, hook. Careful. Careful, there's a box.
Oh,
right there.
that still hits me?
Oh, I shouldn't have grabbed that.
Blue.
Okay,
Yep.
kill it. Let's kill the box here.
Yeah, he's doing leash.
Okay. Roche, you don't say that skill to fly?
Hmm? I'm in the
You don't
thing.
say that.
Oh,
Oh, I have Warwick. Oh, I mean, I have Dark. It is Dark, yeah.
yeah. Going up. Lines? Or
Fly.
Mine.
No, sound check only happened after reverse.
Oh, okay.
The second one.
Okay, so clown checks are like semi-scripted.
Yeah. Oh, it is. Oh, fuck. It's Doom.
Oh.
It's okay.
Just burn now, whatever, it's fine.
Yeah, it's burned now.
You give us so much time.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we're good.
We're
Fine,
good.
We're fine. We're fine.
Slow poke.
I'll pop this here.
It's on you guys.
Yeah.
I shall protect you.
Be strong, guys.
Ah, little windy.
Not gonna move, not gonna move, not gonna move.
No, it popped because Azina bring it down, but he was already
Yeah.
at the red. It's
Yeah,
so
so-
stupid.
Yeah, when it brings you below half or when you go over half. It's literally just whenever you cross that middle line.
Wait, why am I taking bar? Okay, I'm just gonna clockwise, please. Clockwise.
Clockwise.
Hunter?
Clockwise.
Oh no, Sam.
Oh.
I'm running into the fire.
Clockwise.
Oh, God.
Run faster!
I'm gonna dark here.
Clockwise. Alright, Nathan, get some bars.
Bird.
Get some birds.
Some bars.
This is hard.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah.
A little bit.
God damn it, someone block that shit.
I'm stunned next to him.
Alright, Don't kill it, don't kill it.
Oh,
Please,
kill him.
no,
I
oh
need
fucking
some
God.
meter. I need some meter too.
That's right.
That's
That's
right.
right.
Oh,
Oh,
check
there's
box,
balls.
box. There's both.
Dukrad?
It's so
I forgot. I didn't throw my. I didn't throw
Red.
it up. Fuck.
Red?
Red.
It's okay. It's okay.
I can kill them.
I'm just gonna ult it.
I ulted too.
Okay, there you go. Oh, vomit.
Which one? Okay.
Okay, I'm trapped. Go.
Oh my god.
Not even close.
Go to zoom to that shit. I'm dark nading here.
Nice, look at the balls.
Oh, you got the balls.
Yeah, use the ball.
Which one are you taking?
Oh, I'm blowing up. I'm going. I'm running. Hook from the right side. Careful.
This debuff.
Okay.
Present left of the middle.
Yep.
Oops, accidentally
I
roared
popped
my
it.
bed.
I popped it. Anyone who needs that. Blue?
I need that.
Yeah.
Where is it?
Hey, it's right there.
Oh,
Can we
Oh,
pop
I'm
that ball?
popping.
yeah, I got it. I got it. Oh,
Okay, nice. We both went for that.
it's a bad one. You have to go for that one.
Yeah.
That's the one where he fucking run you down like a dog.
Yeah, he'll actually kill someone if you don't. If you either don't outrun him or you don't time stop him.
You
Yeah,
can
man.
take this one. Oh,
G press G.
go.
Oh, you guys should die at the same time.
Yeah, cause I got there first.
Yeah.
So I go to the top one. I'm a dark here. Then we push here. Axe.
Red. X.
Vomit on Sam. I need water. We can probably do it away. Actually, we'll probably
I
kill
think
it
we're
before.
gonna kill it before. It's doing birds.
Oh,
Oh! I got hit.
oh, mayhem. Okay,
Oh.
can we kill the box real quick?
Yeah, I killed it.
Oh, Nathan, is it not
Not me,
Nathan?
not me, not me, not me.
Go to the middle and show us after. He's gonna do clown check.
Yep.
Right now?
Yeah. Oh.
I don't have ult.
Okay, we're good.
Oh, what the?
Oh, what the fuck? That's not clan check.
Okay, kill him.
Oh, I transformed. Fuck. What a waste.
I mean, it's okay. You got this.
My DPS.
That wasn't clown check.
Yeah, I was ready for it. Like I shielded, I cleansed off your burn and everything.
Yeah, it was probably after that one. Long.
Any skippers? Can you skip this? I thought you could before.
No,
You can't.
Never mind.
Hi guys.
Oh, that perfect clear.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Oh, yep. Right there.
Bottom one. Mark. Producer. I just run behind him now.
Yeah.
DPS. Oh, this is not DPS pattern.
It is a DPS pattern.
Just stand in the right spot for it.
Yeah. Some flows.
Oh, barfing.
Apparently, melee class can't do the shit hell mode.
Oh,
Really?
Yeah, the bingo is kind of fucked.
You can set up 9. 9's a good spot. Or 6.
9 or 6. Yeah.
Oh shit! Someone fucking combo me.
Oh, shit.
Medusa, look away.
Nice and easy bingo.
You got bingo? Oh, we do. Okay.
It'll be this one.
So he's in oh.
Holy shit.
He's on Sam.
Puking.
You can't take a bomb.
Oh, you can't take a bomb down.
No. Sam.
Move.
Mooch? Any moocher?
Already?
Yeah,
That's a
they're
lot of
finish.
faith, man.
And they're
Finish.
That's a lot of faith.
This is the expert group.
Expert. Bus.
Yeah,
I had to fuck it up.
Oh no. no.
That's,
Here?
yeah. Anywhere.
There or?
Oh.
Oh, down. Oh, wait, down is fucked.
Oh, well, that's
It's
fine.
okay.
We can do this and then clear up
Okay.
here.
Yeah.
Oh god.
Oh,
I'm
fuck,
gonna
Sam.
implode.
fuck you up.
Yeah.
Medusa?
Clear one of these.
If we do this
Then we
one,
can bingo. We can bingo there too. Or we
Okay,
could
yeah,
do.
Clear left and then
God, whatever the
bingo.
fuck you want.
Bingo at 3. Yeah, that works too.
Yeah.
A bingo
Yeah.
at 3.
So we'll clear this.
Yeah. I'll go in.
Oh shit, you're gonna.
No, I'm good.
And then this is our bingo.
I'm roaring. Debuffing him.
Oh!
Hey! I was
Agent.
I debuff all of you now.
Oh, that was the bingo. We just made bingo.
No, the bingo's here. Bingo's there.
No, we just made this line bingo.
Yeah, we made the full line. Now.
Yeah, he had to move because there's hammers.
Yeah, there's hammers, so I had to survive.
Alright. 3 o'clock.
Oh,
Oh shit.
that's.
Yeah. I was trying to get it away from you because you couldn't move from the square.
We'll move around, man. I dash.
Nice.
Nice.
I was wondering why I was taking so much damage. I was on fucking LOS.
Oh.
Help against Kyle.
Grudge,
He's
sir.
a dark game.
Is he?
Damage reduction is a lot better though. For
Oh, 49.
49%.
God
Oh.
damn.